Okay, so hey guys, we're here for the sixth day today, and I have another function for us. I literally just wrote it down without even thinking of it. I just literally let these, this come to my head. So hopefully it isn't like that hard. Well, hopefully it challenges us, but I just don't want to sit here for an hour right now. But I will if I have to. Plus, if it is an hour, I do not blame you guys for skipping to the end. Right. So I don't think it shouldn't be that hard. I'm going to change this to like 3. So we have an exponent there. We have a trig identity, and we have the quotient rule here. Now, hopefully I'm going to try to remember this quotient rule off the top of my head again. So I think it's d, so the derivative of, I think, f is on the top, g of x is on the bottom, and then I think it's like this. I think, yeah. Now, oh, that was a yucky one. That's a bit better. I think it's just g of x squared. And it's when you just try, it's okay to make mistakes while doing this. I may have made a mistake there. I'm gonna look. I do remember I wrote it down somewhere on a piece of paper. No, I got it wrong. See, but now, oh, I got it very wrong. We learn from our mistakes though. So, that was wrong. I got them flipped around the other way, the wrong way. So g of x. I remember it. Remembered it yesterday, no problem. Why? It's just slipped from my brain. So for one, both of these aren't a derivative. For 2, like I got the derivative swapped around. F of x is derived first, then g of x is derived on the other side of the subtraction sign. Anyways, let's move on to solving this. So our f of x here is equal to e to l. And now there are a large number of memes online in regards to deriving E. If you just search them up, they're pretty funny because in some cases it literally it's like a loop, it never ends. But I think off the top of my head, we just bring the 2 down, E, and I think the 2 stays up there. I've got my textbook here. Why am I guessing? Yes. So that's it there. That's how you derive E. You literally just bring this number out the front of, this is an L, by the way. You bring it down and keep it up there. All right, now g of x. I'll try and move along quick. The habit of talking a lot. Oh no. Sine L. Oh, I'm going to put this textbook down. Plus 4 L and 1/2. I wanted to get at least one power rule in there, just so we can practice the first thing we started off with and make sure we master it. Alright, and now the derivative of this, well, the derivative of sine is cos. So we now have 3 cos L, and then we derive this. Now I'm going to try just jump straight to the final answer. As we can see, actually, what on earth am I saying? I thought we were integrating for a second. Now this is a lot simpler. So we just bring it down, times it by the 4. 4 times 1/2 is 2. L, then 1/2 minus 1 whole. I think that's -1/2. Don't shoot the messenger. I'm wrong. Alright, sweet. So now that we have that, we can change back to the green color, I reckon. Now we can take these and derive this so that it looks like this here. So derivative dn dl, so the change in n with respect to the change in L is equal to, so g of x, which is a lovely one to write out. I do not mean that at all. It sucks. 4L, oh gosh, that's an L over, yeah, to half, we'll just go off that. F, the function, the derivative of f of x is 2e 2, that's an L. That looks more like an L. And then minus f of x is e, I'm going to put this in brackets, 2L. I'm a lot better at using the Wacom now. I just still need to practice it quite a bit more before I sort of perfect it, I reckon. Plus 2, look how long this one is, -1/2. These are the sort of things I used to look at as a kid with maths. Think, like, man, those crazy professors and doctors made me want to be able to do it in the first place, as it does look pretty cool. G of x, 3 sine L plus 4 L half squared. Alright, now we just simplify this. I'm just gonna wing it completely, but what we are going to do is I think we're just going to expand this here. And this with that. I'm going to leave that alone unless I'm just wondering whether this could take out one lot of the bottom terms up here. I'm still going to expand it, however. That could be a shortcut. Alright, you know what? Let's risk it. Let's do it. So I'm actually gonna, this could be very wrong. And 3 sine L, we'll get rid of U. Ooh. I don't know if I just did something really bad. And then that's going to get rid of that there, the 2. This now, if this works, I will be so happy. Oh, we still have to expand this one though. Oh, I'm just gonna do this. Ooh. Well, 3 cos L. Yes, that is an L. E to L plus. Now we're timesing it by negative E, which keeps this one negative, of course. But what I'm thinking is this here might actually become a negative. So this is just some number, so like timesing any other number by another negative number will make it negative. We have E to L to L negative 1/2. All that will be over 3 sine L plus 4 L half. Yes. Okay. Now, can we simplify this any further? What's running through my head right now is like, are there any common terms that I could like highlight? So we have 2. I wonder if you could bring these 2 together. It is being multiplied by this here, though. Just thinking about the steps. Is that okay? Yeah. Oh, okay. So what I think is that this will actually be a bit like the constant out in front of the E. So, all right, I'm going to do it. This is either going to be really good or really bad. Negative, negative, I'm thinking 3 cos L E to the 2L. You guys can probably tell if you can see any mistakes. I definitely don't know everything, hence why this channel exists. For we can all get better together. For E, now that's, yeah, negative, so that'll remain the same. And then, like, whoops, maybe. And that there's times by 2L. Oh no, it's not. What I did, there's just times by L. I'd love a log there. Oh, now we have 4e. No, but 4e to the, imagine that, that simplified, so that we could cancel out this bottom term here. This will be interesting. Okay. Why do I have a bracket here? Let's just move the screen back up. Gee, I wonder if I have more hiding there. Oh. All right. Oh well, I guess as far as I'm concerned, I can't really take it any further. Oh, sine and cos. My textbook here. Hopefully it has its trig identities. Here we are. These. Okay. Well, if you guys can see any way that could have been simplified better, let me know in the comments any other sort of direction you would have taken. My textbook isn't really wanting to be helpful here. I'm just looking in the wrong places though. Alright. Well, there's holding the Wacom pen upside down. Why isn't this writing? Okay. I'm gonna check this answer on Symbolab. Let's have a look what they get. Oh boy. So derivatives, yep. This is an integral a day right now. This is derivative a day. And then we have d, l. I'm going to write the question down. So we add by \e. So the power of 2l. Let me move my mouse. 2l 3 sine l plus 4l to the power of 5. That's all I had. I'm just going to double check. Yep. Enter. And we get, I'm going to be alt tabbing here to check. Wow, they definitely got a different answer. Look, they have a square root. They still have their squared there. Well, it looks like I couldn't do that. That's okay. Oh, they could have taken the half I had earlier and put that as a square root. This might be the answer I had earlier. So they had, yeah, they got that. They derived it the same. Yes, see, they derived it like so, which is still exactly what we have. Interesting. So I'm gonna pop between them. I'll take you guys with me back. What this is saying is that this can be gone. You can come back, Mr. Squared. I and the square root. All right. Let's just ignore that there's crosses through there. I'm going to alt tab between the pages here, so we have E. Yep. 3 sine L plus 4 to the square root of L, which is what we got, minus 3 cos L plus 2 yep, plus 2L negative half e to the 2L 3 sine L. Or L, which they just turned into a square root. So pretty much they didn't even simplify this any further. They just left it as is. So I'm not sure. I do think I was wrong just before with how I simplified it, but they say that this here, just left as is the correct answer. Please let us know down in the comments if you think this can be simplified any further. I actually don't know at all. See, I would have expanded this, but maybe it's better just to leave it as so. Yeah, but give us your opinion. I'd be interested to hear it, and I hope you guys have a lovely rest of your day, and I'll catch you all here tomorrow for another video.